In stores, you can find many types of Buldak noodles. Today, I brought two, the black one, which seems to be the original flavor, and the pink one, which is less spicy cream carbonara flavor. We will be using the original Buldak noodles for today's recipe. When the water boils, add the ramen and cook on high heat for exactly 5 minutes. Flipping it once in the middle. After 5 minutes, drain the water using a strainer. Put the noodles back in the pot, add 8 tablespoons of hot water. And then put the sauce packet, a bit of sweet corn, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and some mozzarella cheese. Stir fry everything well for about 1 minute. While it's delicious just like this, today I will show you how to enjoy it wrapped in rice paper. Soak a piece of rice paper in water just for a second, then place some Buldak noodles on top. Add a bit of sweet corn. Fold one side of the rice paper, then the other side, and finally fold this sides. It's tasty this way too. Another method is to place some Buldak noodles on the rice paper, lift one side slightly to cover the noodles, fold the sides, and roll it up. You can also place a piece of lettuce on the rice paper, add some noodles, and roll it up using the same method. Another option is to put a small piece of cheese on the rice paper, then add some noodles. Fold one side, then the other side, and then fold the sides. For an extra delicious twist, place mozzarella cheese in a pan. Put the Buldak noodles wrapped in rice paper to roll the Buldak noodles and cook until the cheese is golden brown. This makes a special treat. Finally, sprinkle the flakes that came with the ramen on top. It's not as spicy as I thought, and it tasted fantastic. Let's try the cheese-coated one. Wow, this is phenomenal. The flavor is excellent. You should definitely try it too. With just 1 pack of ramen, we've made a fantastic dish. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.